Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Myself, I'm Alina. I don't know what to say about today's video. It's just an incident of what happened to me today. So let me just start with the story. I'm diagnosed with PCOD, and my weight is like I was when I was diagnosed with it. I was at 95 kg, and right now I'm on a diet. I'm working out, and now I'm at 89. And the thing is, with this PCOD is that whoever suffers PCOD, PCOS, whatever you call it, we get mood swings. Like, you can't just express that we feel depressed sometimes. I don't know about others, but for me, it's like I feel depressed sometimes. I get an emotional breakdown. I feel sad about myself. I don't know because it's just about the hormones. Because in PCOD or PCOS, whatever it is, the hormones change and we get a lot of mood swings, etc. like that. So today, what happened was that I get these things like in 2 weeks or whenever it just hits me like this. Like I was just sitting, I was happy, nothing. I was just watching a series in Netflix. After that, I was sitting outside in my balcony. It's not balcony, whatever it is. So suddenly I felt sad. I started crying. Tears were coming. I started crying. Then I came to the room because I'm staying with my parents, and in my home my mom, my dad is there. I came to my room. So I was like just talking to myself. It's okay. I know because I have PCOD. These are the mood swings I get from this. I know it, and I started to talk to me itself. It's okay, Alina. It's okay. It's normal. It will go. Just give it a time. It will go, go, go. But it was not going. First, I started with crying. Then I started to feel depressed. I was like, we can't express or we can't say it in words that how you feel. For me, it is, for every person, it is different, I think so. For me, I felt like I was alone, like I have no one. Like, I just started crying. I felt helpless. Like, I felt like, why I can't help myself? When is this gonna stop? Please. I started crying, crying, crying. Till like 2-3 hours I was in that stage. I was in my room, sitting silently. And I was just trying to get from that mood. I was like playing music in my phone. I get these things like 2-3 weeks, or I don't know when it hits me. It's like a panic attack, but it's not panic attack. It's the mood swings. It hits you like you don't know whenever it hits you. So sometimes what I do is that um, I just scramble in a book with a pen. I just take a pen or paper. I just scramble it. I try to focus on something else. I listen to music. I try to focus on something else. But today, these things didn't help me. Like I was writing, scrambling, everything, drawing. These kind of things didn't help me. I was feeling so helpless. Because I was feeling helpless, I was feeling more sad. Again, I started crying. After all these things, I tried a lot of things. Again, I started crying. Uh, and the thing is that after I was diagnosed with PCOD, I felt like left alone. I won't talk to my friends. I won't talk to. I don't normally talk to people that much. Means I only talk to my friends. But when I was diagnosed with PCOD, um, I don't know, it's the mood swings, whatever it is. It's like you are in another kind of, in a pregnancy, people will feel cravings, no? Like that in PCOD, we feel these things. So when I was diagnosed with PCOD, I started to avoid people. I don't know. Even these feelings which I get, I cry when this emotional breakdowns hit me. I won't say to no. I won't tell it to my mom. Means I tell like I have mood swings. That's it. So today was like, I don't know. It felt really weird. I was just crying and crying and crying for 2-3 hours straight. And I don't talk to my friends. I don't know. When this hit me, I kept avoiding people. When I am diagnosed with PCOD, I don't want to talk to anybody. I'm not feeling to talk. Like if anyone texts me, I won't reply it. Like if anyone calls me, I won't take the call. I just talk to my sister, my family. That's it. I don't know. It's just a feeling. I don't want to talk to anybody else. So you feel alone. Like I don't have anyone to share this what I feel. Like you can't describe it. Only a person who knows the feeling only understands what I'm talking. So after hours of crying, I felt like just let's just get up. Just let's just go sit in the front. It was raining today, so I got up and I went to there. I was just looking into the rain, thinking of something else again. After that, I started crying. Then, what I did was, I thought in my mind, I took control of myself and I told, it's okay, these things will happen, you can control it. The, the key is in your mind. So, I started doing things to distract myself. So, then what I did is, I went to the kitchen. I took some fruits, I had my dinner. Then I came to my room. You know, sometimes for people it will be like foods suits you, like ice cream, chocolate, blah blah blah, anything. So I tried that. I had food. After that, also I was not feeling well. Then what I did is, let's just get up, let's just get ready, let's try out something, let's focus your mind on something. So I thought what it will be. So I thought, let's do makeup. So makeup takes time. I make up. So suddenly what happens is that my focus has went from that stage to doing my makeup. Like I forgot that I was crying. After a sudden time, I was thinking why I was crying. Like what was the reason why I was crying, why I felt that. Then everything changed. I felt happy. Like the makeup, it distracted me from that certain blockage which I had. I couldn't take out my mind from that. And suddenly it changed my mind because I was focusing on something else. I did my hair and everything. For persons, it will be, before that what I used to do is I draw something, I listen to music, but today these things were not working. So after I did my makeup, hair, everything, I wanted to feel power. I wanted to feel like I am the person who controls my life. I wanted to feel that empowerment. After that, I thought, after everything, I felt alright. Then I thought that I will shoot a video about it because I know that there are a lot of people who are girls out there who are suffering from PCOD. Not only PCOD, uh, moods. It's anything like mood swings. depression, emotional breakdowns, boys and girls out there. I just want to say that these things you feel, you can control it. You can control it. You should say that I can control it. It's just a thing in my mind, I can control it. And people who are out there who feel depressed, like there are different level of depression, who are feeling intense, I just want to say to them, if you can't handle yourself, for me I can handle it, but people out there who can't handle yourself, I just want to say that please take professional help. Please take, even I had took it once a time. Uh, then I felt like I could control. Please do take professional help. That go see your doctor, psychologist, take professional help, or talk to anyone. Just for some people, it will be like if you talk it out with your friends, mom, whoever it is, just talk it out. You'll be fine because you feel like there is someone in your life to hear your story. Just talk it out, or if you want help, just go see a doctor. Just go see a doctor and seek for help. Don't feel that you can't help yourself, or don't feel that it's your fault. Just go seek help. It's not only you who are suffering from this, there are a lot of people, many people like you who are suffering from these problems. So I just want to say that love yourself, take care of yourself. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay not to be okay. Everything is okay, and just keep saying to yourself, you're fine, you're awesome. Everything is gonna back normal. You can control it. Just focus on something else. Be happy. Try to be happy. Keep smiling and keep going in your life. Bye, guys. That's it.